This exercise is called the woodpecker. So you're going to take a longer lunge position, taking the big toes together, stepping way back now, creating a lot of space between your front foot and your back foot. We want to hinge forward a little bit deeper this time, expanding here. We'll create this little tension with the shoulders back. Be sure to push the chin in, head back. We're reaching way forward. So try to create as much tension as you can, and then the breath. So big expansion. Here's how it looks from the side. Step back, expand, bring it forward, arms begin back, pushing the head back, bringing the arms forward, and really reaching. Bring the back hip forward, squeeze the inner thighs together, then deep expansive breaths. So you want to do 5 breaths on each side 3 times a day. Practice this exercise. Be sure and stand tall. Lift the chest, breathe deep, tuck the chin in. Walk this way throughout the day. Namaste.